Hello everyone, we are here in the beautiful Woronora River environment, and I'm joined today by some ocean action hero warriors, people who look after the place.
Yeah!
So, hey guys, can we have some names here please?
Oliver.
Oliver, hi
Lucy.
Oliver.
Keith.
Keith,
K-R-T-H.
and is this your sister?
Yes.
Lucy. And hey guys, why are you here today? I see you have some bags. Are you doing some shopping here today?
No!
So-
there's no shopping.
There's no shopping here?
We've got rubbish in here.
Is there rubbish here?
Yeah, like this.
Like, oh wow, a water bottle.
For some...
What else? Lucy, what have you got? Show me the contents of your bag. What is that? Wow, what is that stuff, are you?
Is it foam?
Yes, styrofoam. It's terrible stuff. And Lucy's got some as well. What else is in the bag, guys?
Well, I got squished water bottles.
Wow, look at that.
I got this. Oh, look, I got some shaving cream.
Oh my goodness. How did it come here? Did it fall out of the sky?
Oh, no, people just walked along here. And I'm gonna spray you blue.
People are a bit careless, aren't they? So what do we... So guys, tell me, if that stuff is in the river, what happens to it?
Go to the ocean! Yeah!
And what do we say?
It's a fishy.
What do we say about the ocean? We want
Healthy animals.
And?
you got healthy food. I just want to show you.
Okay, thank you so much. You
Pick up free for the sea.
Wow, awesome. Thank you so much for cleaning up the river.
Only drain down the drain. You mean
So
only
should-
rain down the drain. Only rain.
Only rain down the drain, absolutely. So, what do we say to everyone?
Go to the end of the river because I need to go.
What are we going to say to everyone? Look after your river.